truly warm welcome to the USAID Bulletin. I'm Meena Tariq. In today's USAID Bulletin, we'll be taking a look at the USAID's development activities in the province of Sindh. The United States Agency for International Development, USAID, is partnering with the government of Pakistan at both the federal and the provincial levels to improve the lives of the people of Sindh. One of those activities involves improving the quality of and access to education through the construction of 106 state-of-the-art schools and early grade reading in 10 districts of Sindh, including Karachi. USAID also formed partnerships between Pakistani and American universities to establish a center for advanced studies that supports applied research and prepares our next generation of engineers and water science experts. USAID also works with the federal and provincial governments to improve health in the province. For example, the Jacobabad Institute for Medical Sciences treats millions, and not only from Sindh, but also the adjacent areas of Balochistan and South Punjab. USAID has also contributed to reduce the under 5 mortality in Sindh by 24% by reaching out to over 60 million families through the specific maternal and child health projects. In addition to the Jacobabad Institute of Medical Sciences, USAID has renovated 73 maternal and child health centers across the province and constructed OB-GYN and maternity wards at Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Center in Karachi. During the COVID-19 crisis, in partnership with the government of Pakistan's National Disaster Management Authority, USAID delivered 52 ventilators to the Sindh government to help manage critically ill patients needing mechanical ventilation. In Jacobabad, USAID gave access to improved water supply to more than 300,000 citizens. Through this project, USAID enabled the local government to provide sustainable clean drinking water by rehabilitating the city's dilapidated water supply and sewage systems. To mitigate the energy outages in the province, USAID has helped rehabilitate the Guddu and Jamshoro power plants in Sindh, which has added enough energy to the overall energy grid to provide power to 3.5 million people. USAID has also funded the construction of transmission lines connecting private wind projects through Jimpi's wind corridors to the national grid, adding enough energy to provide power for another 2.6 million Pakistanis. For years, agriculture in Sindh has lacked investment and has needed stronger and more robust market linkages. To address these issues, USAID has helped farmers adopt better practices to improve productivity by supporting the development of the livestock, vegetable and horticulture sectors in Sindh. One such example is the production of mangoes. Our reporter has put together a special report on how USAID has improved the productivity of mangoes in the region. Let's take a look.
शुक्रिया मीना। पाकिस्तान में आम की मुताद्दद किस्में उगाई जाती है और आम की काश्त मुल्क की एक बड़ी आबादी का जरिए माश है। ताहम फॉर्म प्रोसेसिंग की सहूलियात और दीगर जरूरी चीजों पर लाजमी सर्टिफिकेट्स की अदम मौजूदगी की वजह से इस शोबे की तरक्की हमेशा से महदूद रही है। अमरीकी इदारा बराए बैनुल-अक़वामी तरक्की यानी USAID ने आमों की शोबे की तरक्की के लिए मौसर हिकमत अमली के तहत किसानों की तरबियत, बैनुल-अक़वामी सर्टिफिकेशंस के साथ जदीद तरीन मशीनरी और आलात की फराहमी के जरिए बुनियादी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की तरक्की पर तवज्जो दी गई है। इस प्रोग्राम से किसानों को मंडियों तक रसाई हासिल हुई और खुश्क आम और गोदा जैसी तेजी से फरोख्त होने वाली मसनूआत के लिए काम करने में भी मदद मिली। USAID ने मशरकी वस्ता, जनूब मशरकी एशिया और यूरोप समेत बैनुल-अक़वामी मंडियों में आम बरामद करने के लिए पंजाब और सिंध में प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स का सामान नस्ब करने में भी मदद की। USAID की कोशिशों से आम की फरोख्त, बरामदात और निजी शोबे में सरमायाकारी में खातिर ख्वाह इजाफा हुआ है। जी मीना।
It's time to take a look at what we have for you in our next bulletin. As always, thank you so much for watching our bulletin. We look forward to your suggestions and your comments, and we'll see all of you next week.